Recently, at the 2024 Beijing Motorcycle Show, GWM officially unveiled its first touring motorcycle. The new bike features a die-cast frame, double wishbone front suspension, and is powered by a 2,000 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 8-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed DCT. According to Souo, more detailed information about this model will be released in 2 months. The motorcycle showcased at the event comes in 2 color options, black and red. The design draws inspiration from the Chinese Awakening Lion, which is reflected in its front-end styling, with LED headlights. The engine sports a 2000 badge, indicating its 2,000 cubic centimeters displacement. Additionally, the bike's factory panniers feature the S2000ST label. The GWM-Sou's first motorcycle features dual round headlights, with 2 parallel LED strips on the outside. Silver chrome trim details are used under the windshield and on the sides of the front fairing. The rear seat comes with a backrest and a tail box, positioning it similarly to luxury touring bikes like the Honda Goldwing and BMW K1600. The braking system is equipped with Brembo calipers. In terms of features, the GWM-So motorcycle is available in 2 versions, with and without a tail box. It is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, heated grips, and heated seats for both the front and rear. The handlebars are chrome-plated and have rubber anti-slip strips. In China's luxury touring motorcycle market, the main competitor for GWM-So's first motorcycle is the Honda GL 1800 Goldwing Tour, which has a starting price of 353,800 renminbi, approximately $49,000 in the domestic market. The Honda Goldwing is equipped with a 1.8-liter horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, producing a maximum power of 93 kilowatts and a peak torque of 170 Newton-meters, paired with a 7-speed DCT transmission. As the world's first motorcycle with a horizontally opposed 8-cylinder engine, the performance and price of GWM-So's first touring motorcycle are highly anticipated. What do you think the final price of this motorcycle will be? Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on Chinese automobiles.